Fourth question, how would you advise Korean students who are working on their portfolio at the moment? Are there any critical points that the students need to keep in mind whilst preparing?
Okay, I think a key thing that students need to do is take their time and do a lot of research into which institutions they want to study at. And I think that there's a variety of factors and points that they need to consider. To begin with, I think the course that they want to study is very important, because the titles of a course may be the same at different institutions, but the content can be quite different. So it's very important, once students have decided which subject they want to study, that they visit the institution website and look into the content of the course to make sure that the materials and the modules they'll be studying is relevant to what they want to do. Once they've identified the relevant courses, then next I think they really should do their research on the institution. So they should look at the reputation of the institution, how well ranked is it, also look at some of the facilities that are offered by the institution in terms of libraries and learning centres. And then once they've done that, they should also look at extracurricular activities as well. So outside of their studies, what can they actually do at the university? Have they got sports facilities? Have they got student societies or volunteering opportunities? Because students will have a lot of free time. So it's important that the university has lots to offer outside of studies. I also think it's important that students look into the support services offered by the university as well. For example, at Birmingham, we have a dedicated international student advisory service, and students can go there at any time and speak with an advisor to help them with any issues or problems that they may have. And then finally, I think it's also important that students look at the location of the university, because some universities are campus-based like Birmingham, but others are not. So it depends on what students want. And also the size of the city where the university is based as well. For example, Birmingham, it's a big city, so there's lots of facilities available for students. So it's important that students look into all of these factors. And once they've done that, it will be easier for them to decide which university meets most of their criteria.